Heidi ho, YouTube. Well, we're getting set up for Halloween now. Everything's down from the attic. I've pretty much got most of the major stuff outside. Just a quick update here. You may notice the setting is a little different from the last video, which I believe was at the old house. I was able to, that was my parents' house actually, that I was doing all this setup. So I actually, once I got out of tech school and got a full-time job, I was able to save up and I went and bought my own house. It'd be about 2.5 years ago now, so I was able to move out of my parents' house and right into buying my own house. It's a pretty old house. It's in the same area as my parents' house was, but it was built around 1880, so it's about 140 years old. It's a corner lot, which is really nice for the display. And I'll just take a quick tour outside, show you what I set up so far. What's really nice is it has this fully enclosed porch right here. It does have heat, baseboard heat. I wired up three dedicated 20 amp circuits outside for the display as well. You can see I've already got my flying crank ghost out. So anyway, that's why I haven't been doing a lot of videos lately. There were an awful lot of changes over the last 3 to 4 years. Just didn't really do much for Halloween, so I'm finally getting back into it here. Hopefully it turns out. So let's see what we got out here. Just to show you how I got this thing fixed. Went and bought a cheap reciprocating saw from Harbor Freight. Mounted it right under here, zip tied the trigger on. Got a switch cord up on the porch to control it. I think the saw was about 20 bucks. You can kind of see the house here. You can see it's a good sized lot. Should do everything I need for Halloween display. That was actually one of the big selling points of the house, is that it's on the corner lot. Not too much else to show right now. I did run all the cords and set up the lights last night. I haven't done a full test of them yet. You can see I still got some cords and stuff sitting around here. So, not too much more to say. Probably fire up the flying crank ghost tonight to open up the window shades there. Anyway, that's where we are right now. Thanks for watching.